He got wise and he got truckerized. Keith did, right around North Carolina on his Stryker 655. Keith, we got your full truckerized package here. Static 636 mic, all my power and audio mods, wideband transmit receive, electrolytic cap upgrade, MOSFET upgrade, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Check this bad boy out. Now you wanted to keep 1 watt all the way down. There it is, 1 watt carrier. Now let me show you something now. 250 watt slug, hello, right at 125. So don't run this into any kind of amplifier that has a driver transistor. It needs to be like a straight 4 pill or 6 or something like that, okay? Roll it all the way up. 20 watts. Show you average power swing. Audio, 111, audio. About 48 bird. Hello. At about 120 peak. Alright, Keith, it's ready to come to you, man. I appreciate it once again from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.